Imam Raza, guardian of Karbala's memory. In the heart of the Islamic world, a noble figure, Imam Ali al-Raza, dedicated his efforts to preserving and promoting the morning rituals of Imam Hussain. Imam Raza, the eighth Imam, recognized the significance of keeping alive the memory of Karbala and the sacrifice of Imam Hussain. He tirelessly worked to establish and systematize the rituals of mourning, ensuring that the tragedy of Karbala remained etched in the hearts of believers. Under Imam Raza's guidance, the majalis and azadari took shape, providing a platform for commemorating Imam Hussein's sacrifice. Sometimes he used to recite the atrocities of tragedy of Karbala himself and people listened to him. Other times he encouraged scholars and poets to spread the awareness and used to sit and listen to them. Today, the mourning of Imam Hussain continues to flourish, thanks to the dedicated efforts of Imam Raza. His legacy lives on in the hearts of millions.